Let's talk about worms.
Let's do it.
All right, now worms in nature are a piece of software that can spread quickly on a network without any user interaction.
Actually, Jeff, worms in nature are the little slimy things in the dirt.
Yeah, you need to spend more time at your computer. I'm talking about our nature.
Oh,
They're
sorry.
payload free, which I guess real worms are too. But it means they don't do any harm to the computer they infect, but they do cause harm to the network simply by using its resources. So why do hackers create worms? Well, we rarely see worms alone. We just stated that it's payload free, but hackers add a little something to it. They supply it with another piece of software like a Trojan or a virus to spread the virus along the route of the worm. Worm's a carrier, so to speak. So most of the time a botnet software is sent with it to create zombies or army bots, which are used for DDoS. Worms take advantage of weak security. We all know this. And outdated systems, most importantly, to breach and infect them. And that's where the real problems start.
That's right. Okay, now you might think that worms are going to be easy to treat. And maybe even some of them are. But through the history of worms, we can clearly see that's not true for most of them. Some of them have infected millions of computers around the world. Some of them appeared again and again in a new shape or form. So Jeff, why don't you show us some examples?
I'd be happy to. Let's get right on it.
Can you show us your worms?
I can show you a whole bunch of them.
This is not going to be fun.